Hello, this is Idiotic TV, and we're here filming. We're shortly going to be with a man who is hated by Oxford and Cambridge universities because of his awful rendition of the English language. I think he might be coming soon. I can hear twigs snapping. I can definitely hear twigs snapping. I think he might be here. Here he comes. He does not look happy. Kicking things in his path of destruction. Throwing things. He really is not a happy bunny. Well, who's he looking for? What the hell? Why is he looking round? He's swearing at us.
No, Jockey!
Lovely use of the English language. And he's swearing at us.
What the fuck are you looking at, mate?
We don't want trouble. We don't want trouble.
Fuck you!
Ah! Truly outstanding. Truly idiotic. Oh crap! No! Get off me, you fool! Get off!